Hey everybody, I thought this would be helpful as we're starting to use this spreadsheet. A lot of you have already been using it. I'm late to the game, so I'm way over to the right. So as I scroll, I see everybody's names. I'm way over at the end here, and then we're also a month into it, so I got to scroll down to find my cell, and there I am. That would be, even though it's no time to get there for me, and I'm way off to the right and then closer to the bottom, it's a pain in the ass to do scrolling when you don't have to. So here's an easy trick to get to your cell immediately. You right click, there's a get link to this cell option. I'm going to click that. It gives me a little note that said it's been copied to the clipboard. Let's just go to another page and make sure that that worked. So I'm just leaving the spreadsheet for a moment. I'm going to paste that in and let's see if it worked. Hops back, takes a second to think about it, and then does it jump? Yep, jumps over to your cell. So that's a nice little trick for getting to your cell in one link. I'm actually going to drag that link into my address bar using Chrome here, and that way, whenever I'm starting off my day, I can easily go to that folder, go to my cell, drop in my notes, and it saves you that scrolling. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys, and good luck with your 52 weeks.